Alright people, multi-part series here, starting with this one. And that's pulling the engine out of my ute. 03 Rodeo, 3.5, 6V E1 V6. I pulled all that front stuff out before, trying to fix all the timing gear, but keep snapping it, so another engine going in. Basically, the bonnet's coming off. I'll undo the exhaust. Down. I found this to be easier last time. I took the head off on the other side. I'll undo that flange. Same on the other side. The manifolds can come up with the engine. I've got the gearbox bolts to do. A terrible leak on the thing too. P-plater had this before I did. So yeah, I'll probably have to, I don't want to, but might have to take me spotties off. Now, so be it. So yeah, the battery I should have even pulled it out by now, but so yeah, there's the other flange. Just basically disconnect the engine from the gearbox, exhaust, and everything that plugs into it, and gradually get the thing out. So I'm going to pause this and get a start. So not looking forward to it. Well, so far it's 25 to 10. I found it's easier to take the wheel off to get to this side of the engine. That has got, I've taken that flap out too. It's got access to the exhaust. Like I'll get in there and put a ratchet on there or something. Yeah, it's a pain in the ass to get to all this, but I've got to undo this side, same on the other side, and while this wheel's off, I'll do the engine mounts. What I'm thinking of doing, and I'll probably do it on both sides, put some bricks, build them up to the chassis, like some strong bricks, build them up to the chassis, do them on both sides, get both wheels off that way, and have a nice strong support, and take the weight off me jack here, which, well, I'm pretty sure it can handle it, but you know, this is relying just on hydraulics alone. I need to brick this up, so that's what I'm doing next. I've taken stuff out of here, undone connections. God, this is a big deal. I'll probably stop the video there, I think, because anything more than a few minutes is a lot of stuffing around. But yeah, this will be a multi-part series. Be quite a few videos there too. Gotta get down there and do that side. Yep. You know, I know it's late, and you're all probably thinking, this is a horrible job. Stuff that, there's no way I'd do it, and you know, all the rest of it. But you know what? And I'll be frank with you, you might all be saying that, but let me tell you something. You're absolutely right. Don't do this. Get a mechanic. Thanks for watching.